Hello children, I welcome you all to class 8. I hope you are staying safe and sound. I'll be taking geography classes for you from today onwards. The first lesson that we will take is resources. Let's begin with the lesson resources. What exactly is utility? Well, it refers to something that is usable, beneficial, profitable for you in some way or the other. So, if an object or substance is usable, beneficial and profitable, then it is a resource. That brings you to the topic resources. Resource. All materials available in our environment which satisfy our needs are called as resources. Resources are everywhere around us, from a tiny pin to a car we use. Look around you and observe. You will be able to identify many types of resources. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. All resources have some value or worth. For example, metals may have an economic value. A beautiful landscape may not, but both are important and satisfy our needs. There are unlimited examples of resources. The water you drink, the electricity you use, the textbooks you use to study, the school bus you use to come to school, and there are unlimited number of resources around us. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into resources. People themselves are the most important resources. It is their ideas, knowledge, inventions, discoveries that lead to the creation of many resources. Types of resources. Resources are generally classified into natural, human-made, and human. Natural resources. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are known as natural resources. The air we breathe, the water in our rivers and lakes, soils, minerals are all natural resources. Many of these resources are free gifts of nature and can be used directly. Now, this natural resource can be broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. Some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities like solar, rain, geothermal energy, wind energy, biomass energy. Now, non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those which have limited stock. Once the stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to get renewed or replenished. Since this period is much more than human lifespan, such resources are considered as non-renewable resources. Example: coal, natural gas, nuclear, fossil fuel, etc. Human-made resources. Human-made resources are made by humans. Sometimes natural substances become resources only when their original form has been changed. Iron ore was not a resource until people learned to extract iron ore from it. People use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, vehicles, etc. And they are known as human-made resources. Now we have some questions to answer. Please note down the questions and write the answers in your notebook. First question is, what is a resource? Next is, what's the difference between natural resources and human-made resources? Next, and the final question is, what's the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources? That's it for today. Thank you students and see you soon with the next class. Bye.